Railroad Richest Sheriff here at Peppermill. Look at that grand. Starts at 100,000. Some days someone will win it. We'll do max bet on pennies. Oh my gosh, first spin bonus. I've never had that luck on Railroad Riches before. So it's a good bonus on my first spin bonus. Uh-oh. What's happening? Oh my gosh, I've never had that on first free spins. So it's a good win. $79.25. Well, thank you. My best free spin bonus. And on a first spin, do it again. Shake it up. Oh, $26.25. 4 spins left. Keep it up, free spins. Oh, nice. $33. And last spin. That is one of my better free spin bonuses than on a first spin. Thank you. Railroad Riches. Now, if we can get the train. I have yet to get a gold train. All the way to the top and give me a gold train. Big win. It's very crowded tonight at Peppermill. We were here for our AGS event, Lion Cash. And there's drawings tonight for a free car, tonight and tomorrow. So big crowds. I would love me a train bonus. Again. We need that train. Oh, I hope I get the train. We had free spins. Let's get the train. He's going to drop a lot of coins. Let's hope I get all the way to the top and get a gold train.
Go!
Oh, good. It's a green one. There's something delicious. I need big, big numbers. Bigger. Really big. Sometimes there's an extra little train. Not this time. Okay, we need more trains. Open up the next one. Come on down here. Oh, darn it. I need one of those. Down here. Oh, come on, open up the next one. You can do it. Come on, land it. Nope. Okay, 2 bonuses so far. I need a third one. Yes, I do. Something's happening again. Oh, I want the train again. Begin the train again, yes. $25 again. Get all the way to the top. I got a gold train I need to get. Uh-oh, let's land something down here. How about open it up? Give us a oh. Okay, it's gonna give us more money. More trains. Don't stop. So hard to open up the next one. Well, at least we had 2 trains so far. So far, that first spin bonus was our best. That was a good one. doubled my money. Maybe I should stop. It's been a big losing day. The last game I thought I'd win on was Railroad Riches. Oh, I like those amounts. Why can't I get that in a train bonus?
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
That was a nice one. Trains. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Why can't I win that? I need a train bonus with that in it. I had a first spin bonus. I had 2 train bonuses. And I'm a big loser today, so I want to cash out on something ahead. So 200 in, 302 out. Thank you, Railroad Riches. Okay, Railroad Riches, where the grand starts at 100,000. This is the sheriff version. I'm a little more fond of the tycoon version because of the 3 spin bonus. Prefer that one over this one. But I'm always trying to get a gold train. I haven't had one yet. Come on, Sheriff. Give me the train. Try pennies on Mexico. Can we get at least a here you go? Oh, finally. Okay, at least we got this. Don't block it with money. Oh, that's nice. Ooh. That's a big one, guys. 140, nice. Can the gold train be next, please?
Wow, it really
Took a long time to get a bonus, but it ended up being worth it. Let's jump ahead and watch it.
Oh, what's happening? Are we finally getting the bonus? Oh my gosh, we're finally getting it. Thank you. How nice. Well, we all know I want a gold train. Even when I finally get up there, I just can't seem to get that gold train. Maybe this time. Wish me luck. Okay. Ouch. Oh, okay, nice. Nothing there yet. I'd like to see those big numbers I kept spying. Let the train have the big ones. That was the smallest train I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. That was sad. I do love those trains. Oh, good. You know what a thrill it would be to get up to that last one because we already have that up there. That would give me the gold train if I can get up there. I would finally get my gold train, guys. Oh my gosh, I did it. I'm gonna get a gold train. Look. Yeah, we're gonna have a gold train bonus. My first one. My first one, everybody. Drop more trains down here. Come on, do it. More trains. So many empty spaces. Uh-oh. Don't end it yet. Well, you ended it, darn it. But let's see what I get on the gold train. Okay, that's 100. Come on, gold train bonus. Do it for me. Oh, we got a minor for 250, the mini for 50. That was 150. That's really nice. It ended up being a really good bonus. Really helps to get a gold train, doesn't it? I finally got my gold train. I'm so happy. For our big win bonus. One last spin. You bet I'm taking the money and running. I had to put in a lucky 20, guys, and boy was it lucky. Have fun and good luck.
Thank you for watching. Please click on one of these links if you want to see more videos.